We thank you for bringing our family together today. Thank you for the gift of life, love, and the chance to gather as one. As we reunite, fill our hearts with joy, peace, and understanding. Lord, bless us our conversation with strength and the one that unites us. Heal any conflicts, remove misunderstandings, and may our time together be filled with laughter, gratitude, and genuine. Guide us to support each other in times of joy and times of struggle. Keep our family safe, healthy, and always under your love. May our home and our hearts remain places of kindness, respect, and faith. All this we ask in your Lord.
Walang upuan, walang upuan. Yan. Yan na, walang hiya-hiya yan ha. Yan, banat. Si Jenny.